In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to hit Privacy Controls. Select Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features you wish to manage. Then tap on one of your apps. Select one of those options and simply go back. You can also, after selecting an app, choose See All Permissions over here, and then manage all of those only for chosen one, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!